Hey everyone, in this video we will start with a new series, getting started with PostgreSQL. So we'll learn SQL in this and I'll go through the reasons that I wanted to cover this series. So one of the reasons I wanted to go through is why learn PostgreSQL. The answer is it's the most popular database in the world. So I've put a screenshot from Stack Overflow. So this is for 2024. And you can see on the right hand side on the databases, which says PostgreSQL is used by 49% of developers and is the most popular database for the second year in a row. So that's a key reason to try to get SQL skills. The second one is that it's the third most popular language. So you can see Python, then you've got Java scripting, and you've got SQL number 3. So that's a pretty strong reason to try and pick up a language that's in key demand. And now let's just go through why learn SQL. So that's what we'll essentially be going through in this series. And why do we want to learn SQL? It's a core foundational skill for data manipulation, extraction, and aggregation. So if you decide to play in the data area or data, anything related to data, the way you manipulate data, and most of the data is in SQL Server or Oracle or PostgreSQL. So to extract the data, manipulate it, you need to learn SQL. It's got wide industry application across finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and technology. So through my exposure over the years, I've seen SQL being used across all these industries and much more. So it's got a lot of wide application. There's always a high demand for data professionals. For those willing to upgrade or learn new skills, this is a really core skill to get into. Now, why learn SQL now? So there are a lot of new skills like dashboarding. So you've got Tableau, you've got Power BI, and SQL integrates seamlessly with Power BI as well as Tableau. It's a platform agnostic skill transfer. So if you learn PostgreSQL, it's a flavor of SQL, but you obviously need to make some tweaks or changes, but you can go and work on MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle. So it gives you a wide a range of things you can work on. And SQL knowledge is a gateway to learning advanced database skills. So these are a few reasons why you should learn SQL. And it is a key skill for data science, software engineering, and business intelligence roles. So that's the reason you should learn SQL. And because PostgreSQL is the most popular version of the database today as of 2024, that's the reason I've decided to take or start this series. So I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you in through this course. Cheers. Bye.